Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss VeChain and its token VET. None of the content is financial advice. Right now, the regression risk, this is the price color coded with respect to the polynomial regression based risk. Right now, essentially since about late June 2025, the regression risk has dropped quite a bit. Now it's at around rounded off at around 1%. Again, the price is moving close enough to the downside from that regression based fair value. The current price is at around 1.5 cents. There are three resistances again now that the higher low structure that VeChain has had since June 2023 has been broken. If you can see that this green line over here, which was holding as support, has gotten broken in early October 2025. Now the cycle lows for VeChain again are established couple of weeks ago. Thus far, those were the lowest that the price action went when the price action went close to that 1 cent level. That means the bottom that VeChain carved out in 2022 and 2023 was taken out in 2025. That's not a good thing. So that higher low structure is broken. Now that key level to watch for is rally back to that green line over here at around 2.1 cents. After that, there are two more moving average based resistances at 2.2 cents and 2.26 cents respectively. So with that narrow zone of about a couple of cents, less than couple of cents, that fraction of a cent, that's where most of the moving resistances are, and then after that the blue line over here, that's the 50-week simple moving average, that is at around 2.97 cents. Beyond that, the rally that VeChain and its token VET took in early December 2024, that level for VeChain is at around 7.2 cents. That would be about a 5x of the current price if the price action were to go to that point. If there is a new cycle high for the cycle, then the 0.382 Fibonacci level at around 11 cents, that's the level to watch for if there is a new cycle high for VeChain. Again, the previous all-time high was at around 27 cents. Again, price action is nowhere close to that level. Coming to the regression based analysis for VeChain, if there is a peak for the cycle, that the 2 standard deviation residual drawn from the fair value, that kind of level for VeChain is coming in around 16 cents. Again, there are no guarantees that the price action goes to that level. If we try to incorporate risk levels on top of this logic, and let's say at the next cycle peak, if the regression based risk level for VeChain goes somewhere between 0.4 and 0.5, the price action for VeChain in that environment would be somewhere between 8 cents and 10 cents. So that's the conservative estimate. The riskier estimate is between 0.5 and 0.7 risk. That is between 10 cents and 14 cents. By the way, all of these charts are available for free on CryptoWeeklies.com, or you can check. This is the homepage of the website. The homepage has information on several indicators related to crypto, such as how is the overall news sentiment analysis, again overall news sentiment score under this crypto TLDR, the peak valley, how is the total bull market completion as it relates to top 100 cryptos by market cap, the risk meter on individual cryptos, such as at least the ones which were active since 2017, how they are doing on their own price based risk journey. The narrative word cloud, that is what are some of the popular narratives right now. Again, VeChain is not one of the popular ones, but again, as an altcoin related narrative, and the overall bullish sentiment is coming back up, and the size of bearish narrative is diminishing. This is sourced from top last 7 days worth of crypto related content. The heat map, again 24 hours performance, 7 days performance of the asset class as a whole, at least the major ones of the asset class, 30 days, again essentially down only in the last 30 days, and also 90 days, barring a few handful name. Most of the cryptos are lower than what they were, including Bitcoin, over the last 90 days. Now coming back to VeChain, again you can check out by doing Command F or Control F over here, or go to its respective section, such as its out in the top 100 cryptos, but outside of top 20. So looking at its machine learning based non-euphoria peak estimate, the 2.7 cents is again where the 50-week simple moving average is. That's the level forecasted by the machine learning algorithm where the price action could go at a weekly average towards the end of the year if there is a non-euphoria bull run peak ahead of us. If there is some sort of a euphoria between now and end of year, the price could be close to about 4 cents, and 4 cents level for VeChain is still halfway between the current price and the 0.236 fib level. The 3 standard deviation blow off top scenario for VeChain is close to that at a weekly average is around 6.5 cents, but keeping that 10 to 20% tolerance, that level is very close to the December 2024 highs. That means it would take us 3 standard deviation 99.7 percentile bullish rally from here on till the end of the year to get just break even to the December 2024 high. That's because VeChain has never stopped making new lows throughout the cycle, and that's again that's the reason it's getting penalized on the machine learning algorithm as well. Coming to the time weighted average price analysis, again this would come as no surprise that the price is trading lower than the time weighted average price, and anytime VeChain has dipped below this blue line, and with the hypothesis that in the next euphoria peak, accumulating below this blue line is not the worst idea. Again, at least there is a chance to break even below these blue line as a line in sand. But again, what is kind of depressing is that price action is nowhere close to the 2021 high. So that's a caveat for VeChain at the moment. The 20-week simple moving average price based risk level has also fallen off a cliff. Right now it's at only 13%. If it goes to prices or the risk levels at March top or December top between 0.3 risk and about 0.4 risk, that level forecasted is at around 8 cents, between 8 cents and 10 cents. Again, a zone of confluence at around 10 cent level for VeChain. And overall, if we were to look at the estimated bull run peak for VeChain as it relates to all of these individual risk based target, again these individual weighted bull run peak is at around 30 cents if everything lines up perfectly. But again, that would be a case where if there is a new market cycle peak for VeChain for 2025 compared to a new all-time compared to the last bull run, again that is the base case is essentially saying if there is a new all-time high from here to end of year, that is essentially slightly higher than the 2021 high, not too much of a wiggle room over there. The 2021 high was at around 27 cents over here, and the base case in that new all-time high regimen for 2025 for VeChain is at around 31 cents. The bull case is at around 52 cents. That means closer to that 1.618, slightly higher than the 1.618, but lower than the 2.618. So those are the two optimistic scenarios, but most of the area of confluence for VeChain as it stands currently is that euphoria case for VeChain per both the machine learning model as well as the regression based model and the technical models comes close to that somewhere between that 0.5 and between 5 cents and 7 cents. That's the first non-euphoria or conservative estimate, and the optimistic case is at around 0.382 at the range that I meant earlier, between 10 cents and 14 cents, between that 0.382 and 0.5. That's the most area of confluence across multiple risk-based model. So first between 0.7 and 0.10, and the second between 0.7 and that is between 7 cents and 10 cents, and the second between 10 cents and 14 cents. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.